All right, so today we have this great camera. This one is 120-degree view length. Now, horizontal 350, vertical 100, and as well zoom. What they call it PTZ, so pen till zoom. You can control this right from your cell phone, and it's solar. You don't need to worry about power. So if you have to put in a location there is no power available, perfect. As long you get 2.4 gigahertz, because this camera works with 2.4 gigahertz wireless. So it's perfect camera. I'm gonna show you this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab. So today you're going to learn how to configure this camera. I'll show you how the whole thing works. Great camera. By the way, did I say that is high definition 1080? That too. And solar panel. Main part. That's super great. Solar panel. And here are the battery as well too. Now here there is a connection for USB connection. Micro USB, where you can, if you want, you can charge this first before you install it, right? Now remember, these type of devices require about 12 hours of sun, so it requires all day to be charged. So what I will do is charge it first right from your computer and then install it. All right, so what we get, the screws. You don't need to go to the hardware store. Information, what you need here, the package, sticker, where to make the holes, some covers there that you're gonna put there, and this is the cable if you need to stand it. I'll show you how to install that too. You get that there. And this is for the solar panel. So there is two ways to install the solar panel. So here we have the camera, power, solar power, two antennas. All right, so you're gonna hand this way, and you're gonna put this around the wall. Now there is one way to do it, is by installing the solar panel right on the top. What you're gonna do, you're gonna install the solar panel right there, see? And let me show you where it looks. And then you tell this, right, where you get sun all the time. So you move this, show you what. But maybe right on the roof you get more sun, right? So the way to do it is you're gonna use this. You're gonna use this part. You have to take this out. You're gonna have to remove this out. You remove this, and then you install this part right over here. So now you can put this right on the roof. You're gonna use this cable. You're gonna use this cable to get the extension now. So we see this. You put it right on the roof. Take this too. Cancel the key to remove that, by the way, and then you install this right over here. We're gonna use the solar panel to be able to power it up, or I'm gonna use just the power there. Now right over here again, you got the screws. You see the Allen key and everything. And to power up the camera. And the full manual. How to use it. And where to scan. Now we see the camera, the way it works. It will rotate and it will tilt 100 degrees. Right from, we got the lens. The night vision, motion, speaker. Nice, huh? Right there. So let's power up the camera.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Yeah, super fast. By the way, see, I'm using the internal battery from here. Now, memory card, right over here. Take this cover out, and then you put the micro SD up to 64 gigabytes. We see the light blinking because it wants to pair.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Super volume. You can hear that a block away. I'm going to scan this with my cell phone right now. I have an Android phone. So I'm going to scan this. And download the application. Straight from Google Play. It's called U-Box. And let's put it there. Let's install it. By the way,
the camera is now ready to begin pairing.
That's the two ways I said you can install it. You see, you can put it this way, or if you want, you can put the camera one way and put the solar panel. We are ready. So we already installed the application and we are in. So we're going to add the device. My next thing is set up the camera with the Wi-Fi. Right there is blinking. The blue light, yes, we saw that blinking. All right. So we're going to go Yes, it's blinking. All right. So device next, it's going to ask you for your network. You'll need to connect to 2.4. So if you are at 5, switch it back to 2.4 and enter the password of your network. And I put the camera into my side. So here it shows the LED light that is connected. We keep it there. So if we click right on the screen, hey, you see me? They'll keep you okay because the first time it shows that. Good resolution. All right, show you what all those things will do. Wow. So now, if I go here, let's see, we can go full screen, and I'm going to move the camera. Let's keep this here, and let's go and try this. How about that, guys? You see right there? Let's go down. Let's go left or right. Right? See that? Go this way. If we need to zoom, I can just go with the screen like this and zoom. Okay. So it's nice. So we can move the camera anywhere, or we can go all the way up. Go all the way up. Let's go to the cylinder. Okay. See part of the studio, or we can just go this way. As you see here, we can take pictures, right? We can take pictures. We can record. We can connect the cloud if you want. You can do all those type of configurations here, right? So if you need the cloud, it's a paid service for that. We're gonna take a picture, hit here, picture, and it will automatic, restore or go. If I'm gonna press here, let me allow that. It has a powerful. Hello. Okay, so you're gonna get a lot of echo. So what I did is, when you activate the microphone, or the other way around, just turn it off. So if I go here and click here, the sound will come this way. All right, now the configuration of the camera, we press the wheel right on the top, and from here we can have all type. As you see right there in the screen right now, it's hard to see it from my cell phone. We can, we can choose card or cloud service or both. We can flip the screen. We can change the scene mode, the way it's going to detect it, activate the time in the 15 seconds. So it wouldn't matter if it's a record loop format 15-20 seconds. And the frequency power is 60. You are in the United States, so you're going to put 60 hertz. Indicator light, you can always turn off the indicator light if you want, right? So people will not figure out the camera is on or off, right? And then the idea of the camera, that nice camera, as you see, was pretty simple to set up. Nice antenna. It only takes a few seconds and a perfect resolution.